In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and send shift bid messages. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be in a location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid you would like to send a message for. I'll choose this one. Then go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From the drop-down menu, choose Messages. You should arrive at your Messages page. As you can see, I already have one test message. To create a new message, select Add. Then give your message a title. We'll say Test Number 2. Then you can type in any of the details for your message. So I'll say Testing again. Next, decide whether or not you want this message to be visible. I do, so I will leave that checked. If you changed your mind and you no longer want this message, click Close. I do, so I will select Save. If you wanted, you could now create a new message. I don't, so I'm going to choose Close. And you can see that message I just created has been added. I can see the subject, the text of the message, and who created the message and when. To make sure that message gets to your employees, you can click on the title of that message, then select Broadcast. When I hit Broadcast, this message will be sent to any employee listed in this bid with a valid address. So I'm going to choose Broadcast, and now that message has been emailed to a total of 4 employees. That's how you can create and send a shift bid message in Teamwork 5. Also note your employees can only view these shift bid messages when your stage or your status is Select. Otherwise, they will not be able to view these messages unless you email them. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete shift bid messages.